Next would be Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo. You may proceed, sir. When you're ready, you have 2 minutes.
Mr. Witness, napansin po ba ninyo na yung isang acknowledgement receipt na 220,000 para sa payment of reward, parenthesis, various goods, para kay TJ Verano, 220,000 po ito. Ang date po ng receipt ay December 22, 2026. Samantalang ang expenditure ay para sa taong 2022. Typo error po ba ito o minadali ang paggawa ng AR?
2026 po, Your Honor. 2026 po.
Ang acknowledgement receipt.
December,
Tama, 2022 acknowledgement receipt. Ayan po. Para sa 2022 po yata ito. Is this typo error or sa tingin ninyo ay minadali?
nagkaroon po kami ng findings about dyan, Your Honor. Lahat po nung ARs po na nakadate po, na hindi po nakadate ng 2022, na isama po namin doon sa aming notice of suspension po.
Okay. Pero ang pirma po dito ni TJ Verano po, may pirma po nito, di po ba?
Based on that document po, it appears na si TJ Verano po.
So, dinate niya po ng 2026, in advance niya na? Or minove forward niya po to 2026? Ang pagtanggap po ng goods, December 22, 2026? Para sa 2022 po ito.
Yes po, kaya po kami nagkaroon ng findings about dyan, Your Honor.
Okay. So, question ho ninyo.
Opo, kinwestiyon po namin.
Pangalawang katanungan ko po, pinajustify niyo po ba sa OVP bakit gumastos ito ng 2 milyon kada araw para sa safe house? Ito po ba isang safe house lang o maraming safe houses? Sumagot po ba ang Office of the Vice President?
Based on the documents submitted to us, hindi po namin madedetermine kung ilan yung safe houses na pinagamitan po.
Pero sumagot po ba siya? Pinajustify niyo po ba? I mean, 2 million per day, sobrang laki. Hotel na po yata yung nirerenta po nito. Ganito kalaki, sobra pa.
Hindi po namin pinajustify, Your Honor, since wala naman pong threshold dun sa joint circular as to the amounts.
Na yung 2 million, so hindi po unusual para sa inyo na magrenta po ng safe house sa 2 million per day dito sa Pilipinas?
Since, tulad nga po ng sinabi ko kanina, we follow our audit based on the provisions po ng joint circular, pero wala naman pong threshold as to the amount sa joint circular, kaya wala po kaming findings as to that.
So, tama po si Senator Judge Lacson na binibase nyo lang po talaga sa mga documents po, wala po kayong physical audit.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Alright. Based po sa experience ninyo, may mga government offices ba na ino-audit po ninyo na hindi tinatanggap ang Audit Observation Memo, AOM? May mga as on auditor or sumasagot silang lahat?
Wala po. Sumasagot po silang lahat, Your Honor.
Except dito kay OVP.
Hindi po tinanggap ni OVP yung aming first AOM nung nagka-temp po kami nung unang time po.
All right. That's all, Presiding Officer. Thank you.
Thank you. Chair would now like to recognize our minority leader, Senator Judge Alan Cayetano, for his availment of the first round. You may proceed, sir. When you're ready, you have 2 minutes, sir.
Mr. Presiding Officer, Senate President, dear colleagues. My question is to the counsel for the prosecution, defense, and the witness. One question, maybe a follow-up. And if we may start with the witness first to answer. I'm not asking you to make a judgment in this case ng impeachment. So sa akin is answer the general question. So we've discussed in the last 2 days, diba, what is illegal expenditure, what is irregular expenditure, what is improper expenditure. In between all of that, we talked about many technicalities. And of course, this will be much easier if we're talking about public funds which are not confidential in nature. So my question is, when we analyze the expenditure, when is it in the nature of an administrative problem na parang mag-submit lang kayo, i-justify nyo to, o kulang lang ng dokumento, i-supply nyo to, and when does it go up to na criminal na in nature na sandali lang, may anomalya na dito or we might file charges against you. Ano yung bar niyan, di ba? So sa mga senator judges na nanonood ngayon and sa publiko na nanonood ngayon, because nga confidential expenditures are in a class by itself, di ba? Peace and order is so important, security is so important. So I'm not referring to this case, ha? So I'm not asking you to make a judgment in this case, whether it's administrative, criminal. In general, as an auditor, then I'll ask the same sa prosecutor and sa defense. Witness, go ahead. In your words, no?
Apo, kapag AOM po at NS, nire-require po namin sila na mag-submit ng documents. Pero kapag nag-ND na po, since there's an obligation to restitute, so ang remedy po nila is to settle the amount or to file an appeal with the commission proper.
Yes, but even when you give them an ND to restitute, hindi nyo naman sinasabi pag restitute. Pwedeng restitute na mali paggamit, hindi yung binulsa mo yon, di ba? So at what point as an auditor do you say na sandali lang, criminal na to may anomalya? Kasi pwedeng mali ang pinaggamitan kaya isoli nyo, but you're not accusing anyone of na binulsa niya.
Well, sa circular naman po, merong presumption na tinatawag kapag hindi nakapag-liquidate na maayos yung agency. Which is
Yes,
presumption of misuse or misappropriation.
Yes, and that's a disputable presumption, right?
It is a prima facie presumption.
Yes, a prima facie presumption is a disputable presumption. It's not a conclusive presumption, meaning yung prima facie, so lilipat yung onus sa kabila na i-prove na mali. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Yes, so hindi pa yun yung hindi ka pa rin dumating dun sa point na yon na parang hindi, as far as COA is concerned, ninakaw mo to. Again, I'm not talking about this case in general. At what point nga will you have a final COA document saying na yon? Kasi pag sinabi mo lang restitute lang, it could be restitute because you didn't use it for what you were using it for.
Based on the rules of COA po, since di ba i-appeal po yung, pwede bang i-appeal yung ND, at kapag naglabas si commission proper ng decision at hindi po nag-comply si agency dun sa decision, then pwede nang endorse with the ombudsman yung case for the filing of criminal
Kindly wind up,
charges.
Senator Judge
So
Cayetano.
I'm okay. I just wanna hear the answer of both the prosecution.
With the permission of Senator Judge Allen, asking the counsels for the parties that same question will already make them give their own versions of the law, which I think should be coursed through the witness, similarly to how you asked the question to the witness, instead of it being placed on the record based on their own points of view.
Well, anyway, we will have 2 more COA witnesses, but I think
Yes.
to all of us who are neutral, that's the big question. At what line does it cross between nagkamali lang yung isang public official sa liquidate and at what point is it criminal? And I just wanted to give, but if that's the
I would be
decision of the-
clarifying that too
Yeah.
during my second round.
Then I will leave it up to you, Mr. Presiding Officer. I apologize, the prosecution and the defense, you will not have a chance to answer that, but during the time of the presiding officer, you will be able to. Or maybe even in the summation at the end.